This is the third assignment in this course and we are going to print two variables in a sentence. If you are interested in watching the previous videos on this topic, before you begin the assignment, the links are given in the description box. For your assignment, you are going to write an essay about your favorite animal. First, you will have to create four variables. One is the favorite animal. The value of this will be whatever your favorite animal is. It can be anything like rabbit, dog, cat, elephant, zebra, lion, tiger, anything. Then the place of animal. The value of this variable will be the place where you will be able to see your favorite animal. Like it can be zoo, forest, or like puppy or kitten, you can see them on the home, road. So it is a place. Color of the animal. The value of this variable will be the color. So it can be white, brown, black, any other color the animal is. Food for animal. The value of this variable will be the food that your favorite animal eats. Like rabbits eat carrot, kitten likes milk or fish. So you can put the food for the animal. After you create the four variables, we need to print the following sentences, which is my favorite animal is. So here in this blank, the value of your favorite animal will be printed. So animal lives in the, so the place of the animal will be printed. The color of the animal is, so here the color of the animal will be printed. So if it is black, you will probably get something like the color of the animal is black. So animal likes to eat whatever the food of the animal is. Okay, so in case of rabbit, we can write rabbit likes to eat carrots. So in each line, we are going to print the value of two variables. One will be the favorite animal value and the second one will be either the place or color or food. So let us go to Python and see my essay. I wrote an essay about my favorite bird instead of my favorite animal. Let us say duck is my favorite bird. So I created four variables. So favorite bird is duck, place of bird, it's a pond near my house. Actually, it is not near my house. It is near my grandmother's house, which is in Kerala. So color of the bird is white and food of the bird is little fish. So I've seen them eat little fish, so I've put that here. So now I'm going to print these four sentences. So I've written my favorite bird is %s. So the favorite bird's value will be printed here. Then I've written print the %s lives in %s. So the value of favorite bird will be printed in the first %s and the place of the bird will be printed here. So when we print the output, it will say the duck lives in a pond near my house. The third sentence, the color of %s is %s. So here the color of my favorite bird is whatever color I've given here, which is white, will get printed here. The last sentence, the %s. So where my favorite bird would come again, likes to eat %s, where the food of the bird will come. So let's save this file and run the code. So this is the output I get. My favorite bird is duck. The duck lives in a pond near my house. The color of duck is white. The duck likes to eat little fish. So we printed four sentences and we put two variables in each sentence. If you would like to practice on an easy exercise first, you can try the second assignment of this course where we print only one variable in a sentence. The link for that assignment is given in the description box below. We are very excited to see the code that you are going to submit for this assignment. If you want to know how to submit assignments, please click on the link shown at the top of the video. I will see you in the next video with a new and very interesting topic. If you have any questions or if you need help with this assignment, please leave a comment below and our team will try to reply to your question. See you soon.